Welcome to Rica Subtest 2 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Now, for your Rica test, you'll want to know the following 6 information text structures: the questions and the transition words that are commonly used. Let's do that right now. We have chronological, sequential, cause and effect, compare and contrast, problem and solution, and description. Let's look at each in depth individually. Chronological is a text structure that describes events in the order that they occur. Common transition words include first, second, third, later, next, before, then, finally, after, when, since, now, and previously. Common questions to identify chronological order include: what items, events, or steps are listed? Do they have to always happen in this certain order? What sequence of events is being described here? What are the major incidents that occur or that occurred? And how is this structure revealed in the text? Sequential is next, and this is what happens in sequence. So when the author uses a list to place items in certain order. Common transition words and questions are the same as the ones mentioned in sequence. So here we have sequential, same ones as the last example. There we go. Cause and effect is our next. And here is the structure, which is commonly found in science textbooks. And this shows that some result has happened from some other event. Common transition words to show that this is cause and effect include if, then, reasons why, as a result, therefore, because, consequently, since, so that, for, and due to. Common questions for cause and effect include: what happened, why did it happen, and what caused it to happen. The compare and contrast structure identifies similarities and differences between two or more people, places, events, objects, or more. To represent the compare and contrast structure, we use the Venn diagram. Common transition words used to indicate comparison and contrast include however, yet, nevertheless, on the other hand, but, but, whereas, similarly, although, also, likewise, in contrast, comparison, different, either or, in the same way, and just as. Common questions used to indicate comparison and contrast include: what items are being compared? In what ways are they similar? In what ways are they different? What conclusion does the author reach about these items? The problem and solution structure presents a problem and later offers a solution or explanation. Common transition words here for problem and solution include problem is, dilemma is, if then, because, so that, question and answer, and puzzle is solved. Next, common questions that involve problem and solution include: what is the problem? Why is this a problem? Is anything being done to try and solve the problem? What can be done to solve the problem? The description structure describes a topic by listing characteristics, features, attributes, and examples. Common transition words for the description type of texts include for example, characteristics, for instance, such as, including, and to illustrate. Common question words for description include: what are the most important characteristics? How is it being described? And what is important to remember about it? Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.